hate when you elevate. They stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate. It feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I could levitate. They never believed that I would really fly, I had to go demonstrate. I had to set them straight. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. Yeah. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, yeah. I had to elevate.
We got some bonus fish coverage, some bonus fish catches to show you that we got with this drone, so make sure you stick around till the end. But this thing is pretty dang handy. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be showing you this RUKO F11 GIM2. Our last drone, when we were filming on Norm, crashed into the river, sank, gone. So we have been droneless. So I'm super stoked to be getting a new drone for the channel. This is gonna help us get some awesome new footage for you guys. Let's tear her open and see what she looks like. Oh man, and she comes with a case. That's awesome. Comes with a case already. My last $1,000 drone didn't come with a case. I believe this one's about 600 and something bucks. RUKO, cool little case, I love it. And there we are. Here she is. Man, it looks like it's got its own built-in screen. Nice little drone here. I mean, that's heavy duty. That is a heavy drone. That's the heaviest drone I've ever had. This is the battery. RUKO lithium battery, the F11 lithium battery. Let's get this battery popped in real quick. We'll get her charging, and then we will be showing you the test run. Got the charger out. Looks like you just plug in a C charger right there. Then you have this side. Got a plug in right here. Looks like she's flashing blue. Whenever she gets solid colors, we will get back to you and we'll go give this baby a test. Here we go. Let's see what she looks like. It's pretty nice. This one controls the gimbal up and down. You can do the zoom. Let's take her up and see what we got. That's what our house looks like from up top, my boys. Let me show y'all a little bit more of Shawnee. This thing's pretty cool. It has extended flight time, portable speed adjustment, and one button return. This is all of our hardware we just won from Paul's Valley. We got first in kids, first in natural, 4th, 5th, and 6th place as well. And my best trophy is the biggest one you see there with the Okie Noodling Queen crowns on her head. One thing is, when I took this to Louisiana, this video is supposed to be out about a month ago. When I took this drone to Louisiana, it crashed into the water. I don't know if we got a little bit of footage of that to show you, maybe, but we got some really cool drone shots in Louisiana, but it got wet. I had to send it back. They helped me try to troubleshoot it. The customer service was awesome. They were supposed to fix it and send it back. They just decided to go ahead and send me a new one, got me a new one right away. So highly recommend them based on their customer service for dang sure. We're gonna go check out the Treehouse real quick. There she is, nestled in amongst the trees. Let's see what we can see through there. Say hey, Phierce.
Hey guys, let's go check it out. We got the stoplight and then the PS2. Bet lots of y'all young folk never even use a PS2, but this is the inside of our house. Dad's a liar. We come up here really often. Anyways, guys, the best part about this zip line, let's do it.
Butterfly, Phierce, here he goes. Wow, nice job. Woohoo! All right, let's go see if we can get those fish.
Okay.
You said there was 2.
I'm in the hole.
I got it.
Okay.
I don't got a stinger.
Holy crap. Holy smack.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Dude, that's a nice one.
He's a mean sucker.
Hold his tail.
I got it.
How big's the other one, you think?
I don't know.
River's getting in the hole.
Holy crap.
Holy crap!
That's a nice one.
Damn!
That's like the one I caught last
Oh my
year.
gosh.
How big do you
Here,
think
look at
that
me.
is?
I want to see that sucker.
Do not drop that stringer or we
Oh
do not
my
have
gosh,
a
that was
fish.
scary. Do I need to get the stringer ready?
You got another one?
No.
This is a big one. I want you to catch it, all right?
Get that fish out of the
I
way.
won't let it go.
Okay.
You ready?
River, you got this?
I'm going head first.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, this is where it
Come on,
gets
River.
real.
Don't take 6 times like your dad.
Yeah, he can't be a 6-try Sally.
He's in there.
Holy crap.
I think he's ready.
He's kicking already.
Oh, shoot.
My hat was making me get stuck in there.
Oh, the way you kicked, I was like, oh my God, he's
That's
getting
how
back.
Feel him?
Yeah, I was grazing his tail back there.
Come on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Rib, let's go.
2-try Tony.
Look at that.
2-turn
Holy
Tony.
smoke.
Oh my god. Oh, this makes my heart hurt. I don't like it. I don't like it.
He's ready.
You don't like it.
You have it? You have one?
I got one.
What the heck?
I'm drowning. Oh, I don't know. He's a nice one though.
You need a stringer?
I gotta go. Now I'm gonna go get him.
Oh, you don't got him?
Yeah, he's just trying to readjust his grip.
I thought he had
See, you might
him
start moving.
Look at all the...
I guess we'll see.
Holy crap. Ah! Don't lose him, don't lose him.
You got him?
Oh yeah, I got him.
How do you think?
Oh my gosh!
Not again!
Oh my god.
Let me see him.
Every time.
Not again!
Oh my God.
It's even bigger!
It happened again!
That is a nice one. Let's go. Crap,
Oh
that is
my
a nice one.
Dude, she's
Oh my
a
gosh.
You hold him, River.
What?
You hold him.
All right.
You caught it.
Got the stringer?
No.
All right, I got the stringer. Look at this big one.
Holy
Holy crap.
That is freaking...
Oh my
Look at
God.
that belly.
Y'all see him?
I love Oklahoma and the giant fish we have here. Oh my god.
Ah.
Quit. Wait, whose is bigger? Wait, let's hold him up. Let's hold him
Yeah,
up.
hold him side by side.
Yeah,
I
whose
think...
is bigger?
I'm sorry, but I think that River knocked you out of the water there.
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, River. Rivers.
Rivers
I think Rivers has like 10 pounds on you.
It is very versatile, awesome product, and I'm glad they sent me one, help us out, help out our channel a little bit, so we got a drone again. But you'll be seeing a lot of drone footage and probably seeing us using this even in some of the videos. As always, guys, your likes, shares, and comments are much appreciated. That's gonna do it for today's adventure, and we'll see you guys next time.